In my previous post, I talked about how Vilma Santos was the first actress to achieve the Grand Slam Best Actress and what are the 4 award-giving bodies that an actress needs to win in order to achieve this distinction. Now, let's talk about the other actresses who also got the Grand Slam Best Actress. In 1983, Vilma Santos got the Grand Slam Best Actress for her performance in Relasyon. In 1991, Nora Honor got the Grand Slam Best Actress for her performance in Andrea Paano Ba Ang Maging Isang Ina. In 1993, Lorna Tolentino got the Grand Slam Best Actress for her performance in Narito Ang Puso Ko. In 1994, Vilma Santos once again got the Grand Slam Best Actress for her performance in Dahil Mahal Kita, the Dulzura Cortez story. In 1996, Nora Honor reclaimed the Grand Slam Best Actress for her performance in the Flor Contemplacion story. In 1997, Sharon Cuneta got the Grand Slam Best Actress for her performance in Madrasta. In 1999, Vilma Santos secured her third Grand Slam Best Actress for her performance in Bata Bata Paano Ka Ginawa. In the year 2000, Elizabeth Oropesa got her Grand Slam Best Actress for her performance in Bulaklak ng Maynila. And in 2003, Vilma Santos got her fourth Grand Slam Best Actress for her performance in Dekada 70. These women captured a rare distinction in Philippine cinema. What is your favorite Grand Slam Best Actress performance? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And thanks for watching!